All right, this is lesson 11.6, journal page 268, where we're talking about the perimeters and areas of similar figures. So it says the two figures are similar. Find the ratios, shaded to non-shaded, of the perimeters and of the areas. Well, normally I would put the small figure on top, but this says shaded to non-shaded, so I have no choice. It'll be 8 to 3. 8 2, 3. Now that's the side lengths. But remember, the perimeter is equal to the side lengths. So the perimeter will also be 8 to 3. So instead of rewriting it, I'm just going to put P equals 8 to 3. Area, on the other hand, will have to be this squared. 8 over 3 times 8 over 3, which would be 64 over 9. So the perimeters ratio would be 8 to 3, and the areas ratio would be 64 to 9. Same kind of thing over here. We'll have 6 over 10. Now this time I could actually simplify that first to make it 3 over 5. And now that will be the perimeter. Now remember, that's not the perimeter. It's the ratio of the perimeter. And then the ratio of the area will just be that squared. Now I could have squared 6 over 10 to get 36 over 100, but then I'd have to divide by 4 on top and bottom, which I'm not going to do because I'm just going to square the perimeters ratio and get 9 over 25. The polygons are similar. Find x. Well, I'm going to put that small figure on top this time, so it'll be 3 over 8 corresponding sides equals x over 10. I'll do cross products here and get 8x equals 30. So x equals whatever that is, 30 divided by 8. 30 over 8, which is the same as dividing top and bottom by 2. I would get 15 over 4, which is the same as 3.75. Over here, we have, I guess this would be the smaller figure, 5 to 7 is equal to 12 to x. 7 times 12, 84. 5x. Divide both sides by 5, and I would get x equals 84 over 5, which is the same as 168 over 10, which is the same as 16.8. Just dividing by 10, so just moving the decimal one spot. Way easier than doing the division here, although it wouldn't have been horrible. Make it over 10 and then turn it into a decimal. So x equals 16.8. Finally, you buy 2 picture frames that are similar. The ratio of the corresponding side lengths is 4 to 5. What's the ratio of the areas? Well, remember, the areas will be this squared. So the area would equal 4 times 4 is 16, and 5 times 5 is 25. The area is the square of the ratio of corresponding side lengths. The perimeter would have been the same as the ratio of corresponding side lengths. But they asked for area, so there we go, 16 over 25. That's it. Have a good one.